are you doing, turd?
I want to see my baby.
She's hiding.
Hey,
Hey, Daddy wants to tell you something.
When I get back.
Okay?
Am I in trouble?
You might be in trouble. Say, hey, Daddy.
All right, I will.
Hi, sweetheart. I tried to get to the school to surprise you, but I didn't make it in time. So, she was in on it.
Sarah
She
and
was in
Debbie's
on
known
it.
about it all week.
You're gonna make me cry, sis.
I missed you. I told you Daddy wanted to talk to you.
Daddy.
Oh, I love you, baby girl. You gotten tall.
So is it okay if we knew and didn't tell you?
No.
Yes. Daddy wanted to surprise you.
Man, Mommy's been planning this since we knew I was getting leave.
Yes.
So when are you guys getting married?
18.
The 18th? Wedding's still normal plans.